again, whoever brother is not asking right now, no problem. You can send me in a mail, or we can call a meeting, or we can have again answer question session, no problem. So see now how many steps are there. We already discussed these steps: measurement, decision, implementation. Right? Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Who's
Yes.
doing the measurement, Shabab? Who's doing the measurement?
The sensor.
Sensor, right? Who's deciding? Who's making the decision?
Controller.
Controller.
CIs.
Controller.
Controller.
And who's implementing it?
Valve. Or yeah, control valve. Or
Final
final.
control element. That is valve, right?
Yes.
Now, if you see here, once again on the board, you can see here, see, this is where measurement is there, right? Level indicator transmitter, measurement. Right, Shabab, with me?
Yes.
Yes, with you. Yes.
And this is level indicator controller that is doing the decision. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Okay, output of this controller, we are sending to I2P converter, and the pneumatic signal is operating this valve, that is final control element, FCE, final control element, right, Shabab? So three steps are there. Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes.
Yes.
Any question up to here? Yes. There is a brother, he's asking the question, are these the same steps for the manual control? Yes. These steps are constant. Even you have the manual control, you have the automatic control. These three steps you have to do. Number one, measurement. Number two, decision. Number three, implementation. So measurement is there, decision is there, and implementation is there. Right, Shabab? Any other question, brother? Please ask. Please don't hesitate to ask the questions. If you are not asking the question, I don't know you are understanding or not. So please ask as many questions as you want.
Teacher,
Yes, brother.
can you show us the manual? Where is the measurement and decision and the
We in the starting we made it. You remember? You remember that or not?
yes?
The first diagram. See in our book. Let me bring again the first diagram in our book. See here. This one. You remember this diagram?
Yeah. Yes.
So who's measuring here? Who's measuring?
The man.
The man, right? This man is measuring with his eyes. See this signal. He is measuring the PV, the current water level, right?
Right.
Who is making the decision? The brain of this man. That is working as controller, right?
Right.
And who is implementing? His hand. He gonna implement this thing here, valve, or he gonna ask the tanker guy stop, right?
Right. Right.
So here always three steps: measurement with his eyes, decision with his brain, and implementation with his hand, right? Right, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
And
Thank you.
Yes.
same three steps we are doing with the automatic control. Now see here with the automatic control. So where is measurement, Shabab? Where is measurement here? Who is doing the
LIT.
measurement?
So right, the sensor.
LIT, right? That is making the measurement. Right, Shabab?
Teacher, we can
Yes,
say
brother.
LIT is the sensor, or the sensor
LIT
is
has three things.
apart from LIT.
LIT has three things. How many things? Three things. It
Three.
has sensor, it has transmitter, it has indicator. Right?
Okay. That means
So
the sensor is part from LIT.
yes, LIT
Okay.
from inside three things. That's we
Okay.
explain on the board if you remember. If you want, I
Yeah.
can still go back to the board.
I get it.
You got it. Okay, that's good. Okay, LIT taking the measurement, and it is sending signal to the PV. See here, this PV. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Now this PV, it is going to the controller LIC, level indicator controller, right? This level indicator controller we already have given SP. See, this SP is there, right? Now it will compare PV and SP and it will decide. Who decides, Shabab? Who's making the
LIC.
decision? LIC, level indicator controller is making the
What's
decision.
meaning BV? I'm sorry.
PV, process variable.
Process. What's that meaning?
Process variable meaning the current value of the variable, like current value of the temperature. How much is the current value of temperature? Maybe 35 degrees centigrade, right? What is SP? Set point, desired value. How much temperature you want? Tell me, Shabab, how much temperature you want? 25 degrees centigrade, for example, right? Shabab with me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So set point is what? The temperature we want, the variable we want, the level we want. And what is PV? Current level in the tank, current level in this tank. That is PV, right, Shabab? Now what will happen? This controller will compare the PV and SP, and if the SP is still more than the PV, it will give the output. And output will go, what is the output of the controller, Shabab? Electrical signal or pneumatic signal?
Electric.
Electrical. So it will go to this valve, the control valve. Which signal control valve need?
Pneumatic.
The
Control
pneumatic.
valve needs which signal? Pneumatic. So obviously we
Pneumatic
have
air.
to put it, yeah, there, very good. So obviously we have to put I2P converter here. We have to put it, right? So this I2P
Yes.
converter will convert electrical signal, current signal into pneumatic signal. And this signal will go to the control valve.
Valve.
Follow with me? Brothers with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So where is the decision, Shabab? Where is the decision?
LIC.
LIC.
LIT. Where is the measurement?
LIC.
LIT.
LIT. Very good. And where is the implementation?
Level.
FC.
Valve.
Valve.
Final control.
Valve. What is the name of this valve? LCV. It is written there, LCV. What is LVC, Shabab? Level control
Control
valve.
valve.
Level control valve. Right?
Right.
What is FCE? What is FCE?
Final control
Final
element.
Final control
Final
element.
control.
Very good.
Control.
Very good. What is NC? This NC is what?
Normally closed.
Normally closed. Very good. How many types of valve in general? Two types. Normally closed.
Normally open.
Normally open.
Very
Open.
good, Brother Muhammad. Very good. Normally closed. So here this valve we are saying it is normally closed. Right, Shabab?
Right.
Yes.
Teacher,
Any brother has any question up to here, Shabab?
yes, I have a question.
Yeah, please ask.
What is the differences between a pneumatic signal and electrical signal?
Electrical signal mean current signal. You know
Yes.
current, right?
Yes.
And pneumatic signal mean air signal. Air. Hawa.
I understand now.
That's good, mashallah. That's good. Any other brother has any question?
Teacher,
Yes.